Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph. In case you're new here, welcome back and feel free to subscribe, like, share and leave us a comment on another special video. Guys, I know you miss me. I miss you too, very. It has been a long time since you see me again on this YouTube channel, though it is a lot that we have been working on, doing some stuff, running some errands up and down, but I never forget you people. We are back with full force back-to-back videos. Maybe 2 or 1, but I'm promising you we're going to do back-to-back videos, you know. So welcome back to this village and welcome back to this YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph. And sure, as always, I always urge you, man, it's better you don't comment, but you like. Also, it's better you like and you subscribe. You know, the best thing is subscribing. Remember, we're to 30,000 subscribers, and now when today you subscribe, you like, share, that will be the best thing. Let's put that aside. On today's video is another amazing. I want to be sharing with you our home compound and also in general our 3-bedroom house or 2-bedroom house. The other 3rd bedroom is not yet complete, but I know every single day everything will be alright. Every day is a learning day, and also every day has its sun and has its own moon. Did you know that? And sure you do that. And also this is my home and this is our beautiful compound over here. Here is where when you come, say, Claude, take me to your home. I'll just take you over here. Whatever you see here on camera, no filters, no anything. That's how it is. So we will be doing some thorough cleaning. The other day we were doing some slashing here, but though I never showed you, it was late evening, in which I never did any video over here. Reason being, it was very crucial things that I couldn't have shared with you, but I know some days they'll come out, you know. So you know everything when it goes this way. Let me know in the comment section. You missed me. Comment down below. What did you want CJ to show you today on this vlog? So I also love to know what you really want. Can I continue with vlogs? Can I continue with interviews? Can I continue with normal vlogs? So, but with this, let me show you the village activities that we are doing over here in my beautiful home. Let's go. Ding, ding, ding. Like you see, over here we have these casting chairs that we put here just to relax. But for now, because of a lot of work, a lot of stuff that are being done, my friend, my people, the chair doesn't look no more chair. It looks like a dustbin. Reason being far away or being always somewhere where people live. Alright, so let's go and start sweeping and doing other stuff. Okay. Guys, I don't know how many seasons we have. Is this a fall season? Because it's same a fall season, but it's evergreen. and the leaves are falling down like it's like a fall season, you know. Although for the Americans in the building, they understand, or for the Westerns in the building, they understand what we call about the fall season. The fall season is where leaves fall, all trees shed their leaves completely, and then after a few maybe months, there's what we call like winter. Then from winter, then also there's what we call like a season like where you see there's a much rain. But with me here, even I don't know which kind of season is this. It's either sunny during the day, during the evening it's raining. If you wake up find that there's a lot of leaves that have fallen down. So we literally experience 3 seasons in 3 seasons or something like that. So it's rainy, it's sunny during the day, very hot, very hot, extremely hot during the day, and in the evening time, starting from 4 p.m., it starts to be shows some signs of raining. Then when you wake up in the morning, it's very cold and the leaves have already fallen down. So due to this fall season and rainy season, it's really a very big challenge for people who have trees or flowers near their homestead, because they always experience something what you call like leaves falling. And one of the disadvantage is it falls maybe on the flowers. Another disadvantage is it makes the compound dirty. But all in all, if you're the only person to look at it, then you end up maybe getting some disadvantage, like maybe time wasting while picking the leaves, cleaning. It's super like now, and then in the evening time it looks like you never did anything. Like there's a place that I'm going to take you out of the kitchen where it was swept yesterday, but when you wake up in the morning it looks like a deserted home. But anyway, let me know in the comment section who also do experience the same as I do here. Because when you sweep in the morning like now, when you wake up the following morning, look, even somebody can come and say, does CJ also sweep this compound for sure? The moment he shows us in the video, does he do that? But anyway, that's how we do it. And also to keep this grass always clean, you have to remove the dirt, like those are dry leaves, so that the grass can keep on growing uniformly. You know? If you don't do so, you'll end up losing your grass, the beautiful grass. So let us do it. This was the cover for this chair, but it never worked the way I wanted. It was really growing on a chair. So this one, I just put it on a farm, just like that, it will grow. You know? We'll make this chair just like that. This one is to cover this chair, but before we cover it, we do this, sweep downwards, and then Just like that. Easily. I've seen a baby lizard here. You know baby lizard? Just like that. Then we bring these dry leaves together. Oh, I'm bending. But this one is stopped, so I have to apply force. Like this. And there's a tree here to be protected. The corridor is so dirty, so I have to go sweep from here. Oh no, man. Oh, so soap. So despite you being falling down and not letting me enjoy, I'm going to plant you this way so that when the seeds come out, you know, it's very good for you. It's recommended for you to plant them this way rather than just sucking the seeds, then you plant. They will not grow. But the moment you throw it like this, let me show you. If I throw it in a plant like here, just like that, near the dragon fruit, you grow. Just like that, and then it will be better. So let me sweep here despite forest. Come here. I'm going to have a forest of sourshops. Look. We are going to have a forest of sourshops in our dreamland. You see, we have like 6 of sourshops here. We have like tens of sourshops here. Also there we have a lot of sourshops. So I want to just transplant them from here to our dreamland. I want to align them like, so we'll be having at least 15 trees of sourshops. You know, as a farmer, as a young farmer, 15 trees of sourshops. And sourshops in Kenya, the cheapest sourshops comes to $1.50. That's 200 Kenyan shillings, the smallest one. What if we have, I treat them well and we have a soursop like this? I'll be sending it to you in America, in UK, in everywhere. So pray for me and support me with ideas of planting the sourshops, okay? Yeah, so I'm just making them here. Different buckets, any bucket you see around here, it's sourshops inside. So we'll be having a forest of soursop, you know? Okay. Sometimes you feel like you can live, and then in a few days you feel like the home is deserted. So you have to do it, you know? Sometimes I feel like, no, let me leave this. But in a few days, you are the only person who is always around home and you have friends to come. So they'll be like, CJ's home is deserted. We have babies clothes being washed. Because nowadays I usually prefer for her to have free clothes. So they are being washed. Despite that, there's this other clothes that she used to have. The ones that are knitted by tailors. Right? They call it kanga. Oh, the Ankara clothes. So the Ankara clothes, when she used to be fit, she used to put them on her own, but now when you put the Ankara clothes and you have to change her the diapers and everything, wash her, the Ankara clothes can't fit her well. So it's a struggle for you to take off the clothes or for you to put on those Ankara clothes on her. So I usually prefer this kind of Dera clothes for her. The ones that the moment you put them, it's free. No need of you putting up the hand, tying up the zip. You see? So like look at also this other place. This other place it was swept, but when it rained, it looks like a deserted place. So also it's another tip. So yeah, if I'll sweep there and leave here, it will be also like doing nothing. So it's better I sweep here again and then take off the smaller mem so that we can see. It's like Lord. Will you every single day in your life, every single day? Okay, so we have zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, zone 4, zone 5. Okay? So guys, as you see, I'm done, and the compound look clean all the way. So the only thing that is remaining, it's me to start picking up this one over here, this kind of that, all the way. Then it should be done, you know. Walking in the village. Walking in the village. Slowly in the village. And that's it. So let me bring a wheelbarrow and I'll be doing this right now. Hey, guys, come. I'll show you something, guys. This nowadays is a store and it's a kit. It's something, guys. I'm so much saddened with my goat. This goat actually gave birth to a kid, you know. The young one of a goat is a kid. So the one thing that saddens me is that it's so painful for it to breastfeed because one of its how do you call it?
Titties.
Titties. Come here, man.
The tits.
Come show them where the titties go.
No, they can see.
Yeah, so you see one of the titties. Sorry.
It's very painful. It's
one
swollen.
Of the titties is very painful, you see? Toka sude. One of the titties is very painful, like
it's swollen.
It's swollen and it has some pus. So
I think it has mastitis.
Mastitis?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. So let me take this first, then I'll just come and take this one.
I think that one needs some medication.
Yeah. Farming is so discouraging at some points. Farming is very discouraging at some points, but now well and good. We are here. We will try our best. Just in the evening you'll see again. Already they have started falling down. To tie this first here, then I breastfeed the small one. You see, I think it's pseudo bro. You buy this. Do you see it, guys? It's swollen.
Maybe it's
What is the look like? I think it's pseudo. I want to hold this so that can breastfeed. So try him, you see. Yeah, try him. Hey, come, you try this. Try him, you see. You know, you see fire. No, don't bite me. So I have to call a vet so that they can diagnose and see what's happening, examine it, and tell us what the way forward. But in that, we will sweep and then take this in account. Now this is pure manure, pure manure, guys. You know, if you need a very natural fertilizer, you know. Hey, where's the other mother? Where's the mother? All animals are on me. They always look at daddy. Relax, man. What's up? You okay? I know you're hungry. I'm going to bring a vet so that your mom can be treated, okay? Understand that? You'll be okay, you'll be fine, okay? I'll buy him milk.
Can he take any other milk? Like
Yeah.
cow milk?
Yeah.
Oh, we can give him in the evening.
Yeah.
Something.
Give him cow milk so that it can be full force and strength. I have my week again, guys. This is the pure fertilizer. For skuma. Just like that, we have a lot of fertilizer here. Come with me, guys. House, come with me. Already here we have some also of we have sunflowers and we have soursoups. Inside here we have a small also kitchen garden. It's in the house because this house over here, the way you see is it's my young brother's house, Mugendi the dreamer's house. So for now it's not under construction because of financial status. So I saw it's good for me to put on inside this case. Reason being because if you leave it that way, it will grow bushy and some wild animals like the slithering ones can come inside here, and my house is just near here, so it can bite Maria or me or my wife while they're cooking outside here. So it's better for me to use it there. As you see now, we have some better, chicken. We have some better super wiki. They're really doing great. Come also inside here. Put them every room. Also over here, you see, there's two of them. There's others in this other one bedroom. Inside here, we have some in this bedroom. Also, you see. Yeah. So if you come here and you're like, hey CJ, come, where do you? I will not be buying vegetables. If you want sukuma wiki, inside here, So let's also keep waiting for the veterinary to come and examine our goat. Then I take them to tie them up here. And well, everything is good. Look, also our compound. Oh, this tree is just hey. You know the funny thing is they left also the goat to eat this. The goat has eaten this. Oh my God.
Will it grow?
Go back now. Oh my God. So I have to tie this over here so that it can go straight. Because if I leave it this way, it will lean towards that place, towards this area.
Mm.
So I'll just improvise a rope. how to improvise a rope. These ones we used to remove this. We used to have no belt. Those days back in the village, so we could use this to tie.
You could use that as your belt.
Yeah, we used to use it as a belt. So you tie it this way, again this way. Then you coil your trouser like this, like this, like this. Then you're good to go.
To school.
But anyway, we can't go on there. Just like that. Like that. You get. So they'll grow straight. And then over here I'll just come with the slasher. Do some slasher. Anyway, let's wait for the vet. Guys, there's a crow there. Look. I don't know how we can call it. There's a crow. Look. They always make a lot of noise here. Quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. There's a crow here, look. It has gone. It has sat up there. Look, it has gone. Crow is gone there. Yeah, so guys, the vets have come. And they want to examine this, so this is the vet.
Yeah, welcome to Claude Joseph YouTube channel.
Yes.
By the name Lucas the Traveler.
Yes.
If the first time you are watching me, consider to subscribe, like it now. We work with my friend here.
Yes.
And we want to do something here.
Oh, the gloves also, man. Even the animals also needs gloves.
Yeah, for protection, yeah. Hello guys, I go by the name Farm with Maxwell.
Yes.
That's my YouTube channel name. I'm a content creator too. Apart from that, you'll be seeing a lot of working with animals.
Yes.
Doing some agriculture. So this is what it keeps us moving in the village. Yeah?
Absolutely.
I really appreciate about that.
Yeah, man.
So we'll be handling this animal over here.
Yes.
Yes, to see. I really suspect this dog. Is the
This
one.
dog, right?
Yeah, this dog. Yeah.
Maybe it will be in chains then again. You'll be in chain, dog, you know?
This dog should be in chain. You see, like it wants to bite me. Yeah?
It
But,
would.
One thing that I like dogs.
Yeah, you love
This
dogs.
dog is very aggressive. You can see the way it is looking at me.
Look at the face.
You know, it is looking at these gloves.
Gloves, yeah.
Yeah?
No, yeah.
So I'll be starting from a point. Yeah, this is my bag, but I have to assess this goat first.
Yes.
I don't know if this dog.
No,
Yeah.
it won't bite you. Shh. Run away, man. Let me hold it that way.
Yeah, let me assess the goat so that I can know what is happening here.
Ooh.
Yeah. So what I'll be doing, yeah?
Yes.
Let me inject something like
Oh, man.
it has an injury. You
Yeah.
can see this is injury. So before treatment, what I'll do first, yeah, is just to make sure that I empty this udder.
Oh,
I
man.
have to empty this udder
Oh, it's crying.
here. Yeah, it is feeling a lot of pain. You know, this dog, so that milk is coming from the udder, so
Yeah.
it was circling with its suit, so it bites this.
So it seems like it's a dog that bite that the
Yes.
other, right?
Yes, this is the dog that bite this udder here.
Okay.
So that means you're supposed to restrain that
Dog.
animal.
Man, you'll be on chain, man. Sorry. So I used to you.
Milking. So this is how we are milking this dog.
Yeah,
No,
the-
this
goat.
goat, not dog. How can we milk a goat?
So
A dog.
that's a goat, not a
Yeah,
dog.
this is a goat.
Yeah,
So you
yeah.
see the way I'm milking this one,
Yes,
this way.
yes.
I'm trying to open this pore here.
Okay.
So I'll be giving you solutions on how to handle this,
Mm-hmm.
because after milking,
Oh, man.
it's feeling a lot of pain.
I thought even the kid could be having the milk. You know, it doesn't breastfeed
Now
since morning.
Oh, since morning.
Yeah.
But the way I've opened this pore, it
Yeah.
can be now circled. You see now it is now coming down.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can circle here.
It was.
But
It was.
before let me disinfect this teeth for it.
Yes.
So that it cannot go get some infection.
Yeah. Hey. Man, sorry. You know this goat always gives what we call like twins.
Twins. twins.
Yes.
So let me just sit over here.
Yeah, guys. We brought, and yeah, also this dog should be restrained actually, as they have said,
Trained.
so that. Oh, and
So let us just disinfect these teeth because we don't know. It is very painful, yeah.
yeah. Oh man.
It is you know it is about teeth, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Even this another one you see.
Yeah.
Yes. Now see blood.
It's coming out.
This is blood. So make sure you restrain that dog, especially during the day, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Restrain it well.
Man, sorry, you'll be on chain, okay? You know, so we kept the chain so that you can be free, but now you have started to bring up some. So you are under arrest.
Even for this dog knows the sweetness of milk.
Yeah.
He was trying to suckle.
It went to suck the milk.
So because the milk was very sweet,
Yes.
it wanted to make sure that it gets
A lot of
plenty of it through biting.
yeah.
So let us just put this calf to
See if they can.
suckle.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me confirm if milk is coming from here. Yes, it is coming. Suckle this.
Oh yeah.
Just suckle this. Suckle this.
It's always like, hey. So this one, I think I should restrain this dog. You.
Yeah, make sure you restrain it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now I think it has now had the smell
the
of
smell.
the
The
it has had
disinfectant.
Yes, the disinfectant.
Oh yeah. You know, it's now used to one teeth.
Okay, yeah. So let us see if it will be, because these other, okay, what we can do for now, yeah, because it will be producing another milk, yeah.
Yeah.
So let us just empty the udder, do treatment, but make sure. But when you wake up, yeah,
Yes.
try squeezing even the first milk so that you can open the
The paw.
pores.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Like
So the
yes.
teat canal will be open, so I'll be milking all of this milk.
Okay.
Have a drink.
The kid doesn't even. It just smells the milk and it's like, wow, where is that coming from? Come on, man. Come on. Hey guys, farming is not easy, man.
Yeah, farming is not easy.
Farming is not easy, and also farming is not for the faint heart.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah. So you see, like here.
So after doing that, yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put some aerosol spray.
Oh yeah.
The reason for putting this aerosol spray, yeah, this spray you can see it has something that we call lidocaine, yeah,
Lidocaine.
for pain.
Okay.
So it will not be feeling pain, yeah. Lidocaine, yeah.
Lidocaine.
So it won't be feeling pain. So I'll be leaving this spray here, so that you make sure. So this one will be helping you in symptomatically treatment, yeah,
Treatment,
for the
yeah.
wound.
Okay.
But apart from that,
Sorry, man.
I'm going to inject some antibiotics
Yes.
and some anti-inflammatory, so that to prevent infection,
Yes.
to prevent the swelling because that's a wound, and to speeden up the healing process
Of
for this wound.
for this wound.
Yes.
Oh wow. On it, guys.
Yeah, so I'll handle it in a humane way. I'll handle it well.
It's like a deep heat.
Yes.
For human being, we usually use deep heat and
Yeah, once you do that, this
Deep
is now
freeze.
symptomatic treatment. Huh?
yeah.
It is feeling pain, but it will the pain will be over because of the lidocaine. Yeah?
Lidocaine. Yeah.
Lidocaine is anesthesia, so it is the one that makes, maybe when somebody is being circumcised,
Okay.
together you are being injected with that, so that you won't feel pain.
Okay.
So it won't be feeling pain. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Mother God, sorry, man. Come on.
So that's it about that. So I'm going to another process now. The systematic way.
Okay. So it's even afraid of you.
Yeah, it has to be afraid, but you are helping
Yeah.
it.
Ah. Come on, man. Relax, man. You'll be okay, okay? You know. My dog, goodbye. 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 Stay there. Goodbye.
3 days, yeah.
In the next 3 days.
Today, tomorrow, and the day after tomorrow, so that to make sure this wound heals properly, yeah.
Okay.
So for the spraying, you'll be spraying this spray. you see this spray? We'll be doing it every morning and every evening. In the morning when it wakes up, and in the evening, yeah.
Okay.
During the day, you just gave enough time for this kid here to suckle.
Yeah.
Yes, and remember to milk that milk so that
Every morning.
you see the way it was swollen, yeah?
Yeah.
And to avoid all these, make sure that dog there is well restrained, yeah?
Yeah.
Well restrained.
Hey, already it has.
But it has taken it off.
Yeah, come on.
Taken it off.
So, you come.
Feeling the sweetness of the milk. So
Yeah.
it wants to get back here.
Hey, dog, now you're on chain, man. Sorry for that, okay? We say goodbye.
You have to tie it well.
I just have to lock it
Just
in
put it here.
Nago kitu tuko tunainua tunaweka. Mister, I'll have to come for
Yeah.
for a chain, the dog chain.
Yeah, for a dog chain.
Yeah. Okay, these are our vet here.
Yeah, just have this one and this
So also this dog should be injected something. It's called rabies.
rabies.
Then
Legal documentation, yeah?
yeah,
To avoid maybe when it bites somebody, you see like now it is biting
the dog, the cow, the goat.
the goat, yeah?
Yeah.
You never know what will be happening next time because it will now felt to the sweetness of the blood.
Yeah.
So any moving object,
Chicken.
maybe it might be chasing the moving objects, including people, even kids.
Yeah.
So kids are at risk.
Yeah. So that's okay, I think, by that time. So this one should have the chain and then
And the leash, the nani,
and the rabies,
and the collar.
the collar. Yeah.
Chain with the dog collar to avoid. You see, like this chain, the way you're putting it on the
Neck.
neck, it may injure it. Huh?
Oh.
So just have a dog. You see now the way it is now behaving. It
John,
now,
want
it
to-
has now tasted the sweetness of the blood.
So it wants
So
to.
the next time you'll be getting that it can even feed on this.
Hey, farming. Having a farm is not easy.
It's difficult. Yeah, see the way the Zara wants to buy this chain.
Oh, man, it's crazy.
Wow.
You relax there, man. Yeah. So guys, this is Vet Maxwell.
Yeah, I'm called Farm with Max. That's
Yeah.
my YouTube channel.
Yes.
I just have this gifted knowledge about
Yes.
having these animals and
Yes.
really helping a lot of these animals here in the village.
Yes.
Yes.
All right, man. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And let's see, guys. For this, I'll just go take it. For now, it will be grazing, right? Because
Yeah,
now
it
I think
has to
it's
go.
missing.
Yeah, it has to go graze.
Yes.
So that wound there, it will be healing slowly. Just give it time. The next 3 days, it will be under medication,
Yes.
and things will be getting better from
All
there.
right, man.
Yes.
All right, guys. Please subscribe to his YouTube channel at Farm with Maxwell.
Yes.
And we appreciate your love. Over here, subscribe to Claude Joseph Road to 30,000 subscribers. Amazing. And also we're having
Yeah, over here.
Yes.
Yeah, I go by the name Lucas the Traveler.
Yes.
Loading to 5,000 subscribers.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys. And bye.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.